If there is one thing that makes Pakistan famous among mountaineers around the world, it is its majestic mountains. In the northern region of Pakistan lie the Karakoram, Himalaya, and Hindu Kush ranges. Here stand some of the tallest peaks on earth. The most renowned of them all is K2, towering at 8,611 meters. Often called the Savage Mountain, because of the extreme difficulty of climbing it, K2 remains a magnet for professional climbers eager to push the limits of human endurance. Alongside K2 is Nanga Parbat, the ninth highest mountain in the world, ominously nicknamed the Killer Mountain, due to its perilous terrain. Yet behind its deadly reputation lies breathtaking beauty, with massive rock walls rising thousands of meters into the sky. These mountains are not only a challenge for adventurers but also a source of life itself. From their eternal glaciers flow mighty rivers that run across the country. Their waters irrigate farmlands, sustain livestock, and generate hydroelectric power. Beyond their natural power, Pakistan's mountain regions also hold extraordinary tourism treasures. The valleys of Hunza, Gilgit, and Skardu are true paradises for travelers. In spring, apricot blossoms paint the valleys in shades of white and pink. In summer, lush fields and crystal-clear rivers invite exploration. And in winter, snow-covered peaks transform the land into an ideal setting for skiing and other winter sports. Imagine standing at the foot of a mountain, a bright blue sky above, glittering snow in the distance, and crisp, refreshing air all around you. This is the experience found only in Pakistan, home to the roof of the world.